Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do Pretzel Comb Bounces. Obviously, knowing how to do combs is useful, but the most important thing here is you know how to do a pretzel. Links in the description below in case that's not in your repertoire yet. So, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So what do we need to do? We start off like a standard pretzel. So it's man's left, ladies right. We go semicircle back, offer the hand behind the back like a standard pretzel. Ladies thinking, oh, when I get there I'm going to take that. We bring the lady forwards, left hand's going up. We're turning the ladies gently to their right as they come forwards. We pick up that hand as we go past back to back. We lower the left, we raise the right, we turn to the right. The right goes over the lady's head, it comes forwards and dips a little bit, ready to come over the guy for the rest of the pretzel. But we stop, change direction, and we take that hand back over the lady for a comb. So that's a comb with the man's right, lady's left. Okay, so that's a straight grip lady comb. Then we bounce off. Guys, we're going to twist to our left as we do a straight normal comb. Okay, so over the fella, which means we're going to look back to the lady as we do that. So we've got this twisting action in the body, but we've still got eye contact. We bounce off. We come back over the lady, again, little twist. And again, eye contact is good. And when we come off this time, it's going to look like it's going over the guy again, but what's actually going to happen is guy's going to move forwards and to the right, so that coming over the guy, along with the pull behind our back with the left, starts the lady walking. It becomes the end of the pretzel, right over the guy, left over the lady, and away. So standard pretzel ending. Let's do that again with numbers from the other side to get the other view. We go back and offer 1. We go left over the lady, 2. We go right over the lady, 3. We comb the lady, 4. We comb the guy, 5. We comb the lady, 6. We then go back to the pretzel to go over the guy, 7. Returning 8 and back 1. So now we're ready. Let's do it to a count. Here we go. 5, a 6. Pretzel Comb Bounces. It's offer. Over the lady, comb the lady, the fellas, the lady, over the fellas, return and back. Did you notice I did something you really don't want to do? I looked at my hand as it went over my head instead of looking at my partner. Bad, Nelson. Much better styling to look at your partner. Okay, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.